Um, Hello, my name is Jimmy White, and I'm from the Jimmy White TV. What's your name, please?
I'm Amira
Mira, and where are you from?
from Singapore.
Singapore. So please, can you tell us how is Singapore? Because I've not really been to Singapore. So can you tell us? You're coming all the way from Singapore to London.
Yes.
Wow. So tell us how is Singapore?
So Singapore is 14 hours flight from here. And then we are an island, so we're surrounded by water, and we have a lot of different people from. We have Malays, Indians, Chinese, Eurasians. Yeah, so that's our country.
And why do you speak like an American?
American.
Yeah.
Maybe because we were taught like that in school to speak like this. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, because you speak like an American. So, for the point, the goal of contention to everything is talking about eat. So, I want you to tell me, you came from Singapore, and there's Eid in Singapore.
Yeah.
So, what made you to leave Singapore to come to London to celebrate the Eid in London? Because I know all of you, everybody is Muslim and it's the same thing. But I think maybe you want to take the one to London. So as you have arrived London now, you came to London and you saw the Eid they do here. So and I was asking you not quite long, and you're telling me I don't really understand. For the few times that you've been in London, how do you see the Eid? But first of all, tell us how it is
Yeah.
in Singapore. Then tell us the few times you've been here, what you have seen.
Okay, so let me start with Eid here in
Okay.
London. So today is Eid, and
Yeah.
then in the morning we had prayers for Eid, and then afterwards we'll have a meal with our friends or something. So I
that's-
went to Borough Market nearby to have a meal
Oh, you mean you went to buy a meal for people
and
to
eat.
eat?
No, eat myself.
No, eat yourself. I thought you said to share it to people. Just for yourself?
That one is kurban. That one is another one.
Okay, there's another one that's for everybody.
Yeah.
But I wanted to tell you now that can I come and eat the food too? Can I come and eat?
It depends. If you do the kurban, then you can eat the food.
Oh wow!
Yeah. But if I don't do it this year,
Okay.
yeah. If you do it, then you'll be invited to eat the food.
Oh, that's good. So if I do that food ban, then I'll be invited. So how do I do that food ban to be invited?
You
If I
have to
wanna
pay
eat-
money.
So not to waste the time. So tell us the one of Singapore. The one of Singapore, how they celebrate their Eid there and everything.
So for Singapore, we'll wear our traditional costume.
Oh, that's lovely.
So it's called
like this, just like
no,
this.
it's different actually. So it's like a skirt and a top. It's
Okay.
called baju kurung.
Okay.
And we'll go to our grandparents' house, the elders, and then we'll pay our respects and eat together as a big family.
Oh, that's lovely. That is lovely. I love that, man. I love that. You have really made me to join this, to join Muslim to be able to, because yeah, I see a lot of kind of kindness, giving, even and I had a Muslim friend, and that Muslim friend told me that, do you know that if I don't have money, I don't have food now. Even if I don't have money, I can eat food. I said, how? He said, if I go to any of them, they will give me food. That's lovely. So right now, I need you to rate me. I want to rate it from 1 to 10. So if you rate what I'm wearing, I'm wearing a watch that costs 1,000. And this 1,000. So if you rate me from 1 to 10, so how am I? Please, this, I want to say real, this is real. Even if I'm 1, say it.
9?
Wow! She gave me 9. So can I rate you?
Sure.
Okay, fine. Now I want to rate you from your talk, from everything, and the way you do 10. I give you 10. So thank you very much, and thank you for being with me. Thank you for being in this topic. I'm so grateful, and I love to see you. I love to see you more. Anytime, maybe one day I go to Singapore or one day I see you, and I want you to watch this video and share. Say it's going to be
That course, I was like, praying to my soul.
see lovely things. It's going to be all the way.